Our first term right here only has one variable in it, x, and the power that x is taken to is 4. So that means that the degree of this term is 4. This is a 4th degree term. Now this next one is a little bit tricky. 100 is just a constant term. It doesn't have any variable factors in it, or in other words, it has 0 variable factors. So this means that its degree is 0. This is true of any constant term. If we had the number, say, 78 here instead, or negative 432, or 19.3, any constant term, no matter what its value is, has degree 0. So that means that 1/2 over here, which is also a constant term, has a degree of 0. Now another way to think of this is that if we desperately wanted to have a variable in a constant term, but we didn't want to change the value of the term, what power would that variable need to be taken to? So let's say we have 1/2 here and we want an x in that term. In order to keep this term equal to 1/2, we need to have x be to the 0 power, since anything, any variable, or any constant to the 0 power equals 1. That means we would actually have 1/2 times 1, which is just equal to 1/2. But even if we choose to write the term in this way, with the variable involved, the power of that variable is 0, so this is still a 0 degree term. For this next term, y, we need to remember that any variable that doesn't have an exponent written explicitly actually has an invisible 1 as its power. So this term has a degree of 1. It's a 1st degree term. And lastly, we have x squared, y squared, z cubed. So the degree of this term is just going to be 2 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 7.